Just one moment. Mail. At customs. Yep.
Your personal motorbike that you're repairing or fixing up, whatever.
Right. And
what I would also do, just to maybe save an email coming back, is to send a copy of the invoice to show what you bought and what you paid for it.
yeah. Just flick customs an email and we'll see how it goes from there. I see that the audio is just ruined right from the start. I disconnected the thing permanently now. I'm really over it. And I don't know what's going on. I think the internal jack is just messed up now. So, no external mic for a while. I wonder what's bouncing around in there. What did I ever drop in here? I never dropped one of those in there, I think. I can't reach around the bend. Right. I don't remember when this happened. Maybe a previous owner. Pretty big tap. I don't know if they're always this big. It's nice to see this properly for once. Mysteries of the reserve tank. There actually isn't a reserve tank. I think the Transalp comes with the filter already in the tap. Maybe this is what they mean. Oh yeah, so before I thought that the Africa Twin Tank only had one sensor, these two holes are telling me otherwise. Not surprised, makes sense. I know Buono sells these for like 65 euros, and if you have to spend 130 euros plus postage still for sensors, I don't know. I'd rather get taps with a reserve. Well, I would have to put some fuel in to know for sure, but as far as I can tell, that thread matched. Alright, good to know. This tripod, this is still a cheap ass Indo Gorilla Pod, and it's terrible. It's one of those things I've been wanting to upgrade for a long time. But again, I think a proper Gorilla Pod you'd easily have to spend 100 bucks on. It's not like I have other things that cost a bit of money. Oh, this is working really well. Note to future self. It's not like we'll be using the exhaust again. Here she comes. Sweet. Awesome. So this removed rust and it's going to get painted. Rather get a new one, but it saves a bit of weight on the postage, and yep, still working perfectly fine. Oh, it's such a heavy can compared to what I've got now. Jeez. Could use this for workout. Oh yeah.